DNA genealogy tests are inaccurate.
How is this possible? In search of answers, I traveled to New England, to Yale University, and meet up with Mark Gerstein and his international team of computational biologists. They study DNA and statistics, and they are stunned by our twin results.
I have to say that one really shocked us. I mean, we expected two identical twins to have the exact same ancestry, and they should. So the fact that they present different results for you and your sister, I find very mystifying. We thought for sure that the differences had to do with that just when one person spit, there was a contaminant in the sample, or.
But then you looked at the raw data, and you're saying you checked, and there's no difference.
No difference. It's like it's shockingly similar. It's like it's scarily the same.
We spend many hours. We try to understand why they might be different. But we cannot.
I think the clean thing to say is we don't know how they did the calculations, but we strongly think that you and your sister should get the same report. End of day.
Because remember, while companies all rely on the same DNA science, they have different formulas and different people in their database to determine which population group you belong to. And whatever your results,
11% Scandinavia, which I love.
Don't get too attached because they may change.
There's been some changes. There's been changes in my results. I was 11% Scandinavian on my other test. Where did that 11% go?
It happened to Carly and me too, with Ancestry DNA.
Look, though, look.
This was my first result, but it was updated to this when the database and math changed. Check out the differences.
I think that's nuts how much it changed.
The health policy prof knows all about it.
I was once 100% Irish. I do love Guinness an awful lot. But now apparently I'm like 80%.
Your results don't stay the same over time. Often they change as the companies update their databases. The commercials don't mention that. What do you think of that?
They don't mention that, right? And it actually does evolve, which is a really telling point. It shows how imprecise it is, and it also gives you a sense of the way the science actually works.
People hear DNA and they think science, legit, CSI, Law and Order, everyone going to jail or getting out of jail because of DNA.
You're exactly right. And they're leveraging that excitement, the excitement that comes from the genuine stuff from science, but also the excitement in pop culture to give it this veneer of legitimacy. And I think that's a little misleading.